Hi, my name is Castro. I have experience resolving bugs related to import conditional format data var examples from Excel document. Overview. First, I will talk about the main data structure relationship of conditional format, the LibreOffice core process. Then I will analyze the data structure relationship to import data var conditional. And finally, the issues I have found for future improvements. This is the main dialog interface to insert data var conditional format. It can be invoked when it's clicked in the format menu and follow the conditional. As you can see in the dialog, there are the basic properties to edit. Here is the main data structure relationship in the LibreOffice core. You can see the class conditional format is a list of entries of with each entry. This is the base class, and all the subclasses you can check about one: the color, the date, and conditional entry. But in this particular subclasses, we will see the generalization of this, or else specialization. The color square format, you can create instances of one of these, but this is the main focus for now, because I'm going to explain how I fix some of the bugs here. And the data var format, you can see has some specific properties, and if we create an instance of this data structure in memory and insert to this list, LibreOffice core will process the conditional. Okay, let's concentrate on the data var format class. As you can see in this relationship, there is a struct called data var format data. There's a relationship of composition here. I don't know why I separated this. This could be included here, but anyway, there is an actual relationship here in the memory of LibreOffice core process. Then you can observe here the basic properties of the data var format, and focus on this one, the positive color that I added because it was missing. And we will focus this attention here, but later we will show you some issues I have found and very confusing when I was reading the code and trying to understand these data relationships and try to fix or patch some of the code. Okay, let's try to import this example portion of XML file. And you can observe here that the field color property is the one that want to extract it or read it. After the parsing process, this data should be saved in our memory here in positive color within our data structure data var format. And once we get that information in memory from we will successfully import. Finally, we will analyze this class. As you can see in the relationship, this class has two composition of classes, and one is the role model and the format data. You can see that the attributes from these two classes is very similar, and that there are duplicate data. This is one of the first issues I have found. And of course, this is when I was reading the code during the parsing, it is read it and write it here, that value before. And after calling the finalize import, this is copy that data from here. Obviously, this is a duplication of code. And in some way, if you are going to read this code and in the future improvements, you can remove this class it is not necessary, and it's very confusing at the beginning trying to read this code. And of course the unique pointer here with this data structure is all confusing here. Anyway, that will possibly improvements in the future, but I hope that's it for me. Thank you very much.